Hey, do you remember the good old days when you could browse the aisles of your local pharmacy for the cheapest cleanser you could find? Do you? Well, if you are in your 40s, then I have some bad news for you. Those days, believe me, are long gone. But the good news for you is that if you are in your 40s and want to find out the ingredients you should be using in your skincare routine, right, to maintain a healthy, youthful skin into your 40s and way beyond, well, then pay close attention because in today's video, that's exactly what we are talking about. Hi, I'm your Lady Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so I am back from my beautiful Costa Rica. I spent 1 month with my family and I need to get back into the routine of making videos again. But hey, it's very nice to see you again. Okay, anyway, you have reached your 40s and what a wonderful decade it is, believe me. But what's not so wonderful for most of us is that our skin cell turnover rate has been reduced by half since our, I would say, 20s. And our levels of estrogen, elastin, and collagen have started to decline as well. But never fear, there is always something that can be done, and hey, you are in the right place. So to kick off the list, let's start with the most basic and fundamental step in any skincare routine, which is, yes, you got this right, we are talking about sunscreen. I would love to think that everyone applies sunscreen every single day, but that's being overly optimistic. You have to admit, we all love a warm, sunny day, especially here in Texas. The sun is our best friend, but also our worst enemy. Our skins. Pay attention, you do need your vitamin D, and being outside has also an impact on your mental health and well-being, but sunscreen is your friend. So exposure to UV radiation damages our precious collagen and elastin, which we know are the proteins that keep our skin looking youthful, beautiful, plump, and healthy. Over time, this damage accumulates and results in, you know it, wrinkles, sagging skin, and age spots. And in some cases, even cancer, right? Now, in general, UV exposure is incredibly damaging for your skin, and without a doubt, one of the keys to prolonging the effects of aging comes down to daily SPF application. I've been following some people online and even doctors who's there's this one guy that says that you can use coconut oil instead. Listen, I am a ginger and I will burn, I promise you, if I only use coconut oil. I did it in my 20s. I tried out and I ended up with these severe sunburn and painful blisters. I kid you not, okay? My grandma healed me with maizena. I don't know if you know this. We have this in Latin America. But anyway, I am totally digressing. Your skin needs to be protected from the sun every single day, but once you hit your 40s, this is more critical than ever, as our skin doesn't regenerate as quickly as it did when we were younger. So now it's the perfect time for you to start investing in a good quality broad spectrum sunscreen, yeah. And just introduce it into daily skincare routine. Mine is tinted and very lightweight and I really like it. So to preserve your youthful skin, sunscreen is a non-negotiable. Just pick one that matches your skin type. And now, number 2, you need a high-strength retinol. Listen, if you are in your 40s and have already been in the wagon, right, of the skincare wagon for a while, you may well already be using a hyaluronic acid serum that is going to, hydrate and plump your skin, and you are even maybe using a hard-working vitamin C to keep those external aggressors at bay. And while you've probably heard of retinol, maybe you've been reluctant to experiment with it up until now. Perhaps you have tried it before only to find your skin doesn't really like it or finds retinol too, like sensitizing. But now could be a good time to give it another go. Your 40s is when your skin starts seeing the most benefit of retinol, because all of the changes going on with your skin at this age, right, like in your 40s, I believe your main focus should be on stimulating your skin's cell turnover, regeneration, and repair. And one of the best ways to do this is by increasing the number of topical vitamins you use in your skincare routine, specifically vitamin A, because it is an excellent stimulating cell turnover, and this is where retinol works its magic. Okay, number 3, resveratrol. Vitamin C, retinol, niacinamide. You've probably heard of all of these and their skin benefits before, but have you heard of resveratrol? Resveratrol is a type of phytonutrient that is found in the outside in the skin of red grapes as well as in other fruits and veggies. It's actually linked to a variety of health benefits, including heart health, cognitive function, and cancer prevention. Resveratrol has also been shown to boost levels of good HDL cholesterol and protect against LDL cholesterol oxidation. But we're talking skincare here, okay? So patiently waiting to make its star debut in the world of beauty. So it seems resveratrol is kind of similar to vitamin C in that it's like a powerful antioxidant that helps to ward off the skin damage that comes from those nasty aggressors like pollution and the sun rays. But it's not vitamin C, and unlike vitamin C, resveratrol has anti-inflammatory properties and is fantastic for helping calm redness and soothe irritated skin. Hey, this powerful compound has been shown to have a number of benefits for aging skin, including reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and you can find resveratrol in many, many different skincare products, from serums to creams. Resveratrol is also available in a supplement form. So if you are looking for a way to achieve younger looking skin in your 40s, consider adding a resveratrol serum to your skincare routine. By the way, right now my resveratrol serum, it's a combination of resveratrol and ferulic acid. It's from Typology. I like it, but it's too sticky for my combination skin, so I use it like once a week. I need to find something less thick, right? Like the texture, I need something more fluid. If you are on the dry spectrum, this may be a good option for you. And now number 4, devices. Now, I know that this is not an ingredient per se, but I couldn't make this video without at least mentioning the wonders of skincare devices that use red light therapy. Red light therapy is often thought as a treatment for skin conditions like acne or wrinkles. But did you know that this therapy can also provide some serious skin benefits? Did you know? Plenty of celebs out there swear by LED therapy to help slow the signs of aging. But as you might expect by that statement alone, these devices don't come cheap. So it's only right that you know what they do and what they are capable of, doing before you go out and spending, like a big chunk of your savings. So we know that collagen and elastin are super important in maintaining firm, plump, youthful skin, and that production of both starts to decrease as we age and actually starts super early in the mid of your 20s. But right off the bat, red light therapy may boost the production of both, helping you reduce the onset and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is because red light penetrates the skin and increases cell turnover, which helps to, smooth the surface of your skin, and it also increases blood circulation. Red light therapy can help you improve your skin tone and texture, giving the skin, like a healthier looking glow. So, if you've reached your 40s and are looking for a way to achieve younger looking skin, red light therapy may be worth a try. Just a few minutes of exposure per day are enough. You could see some significant benefits if you're in your skin's appearance by using red light therapy, I think like between 10 to 15 minutes per day. Now, here are the bad news. If you're willing to fork over a cool $500 to reap the benefits of red light therapy, then meet Dr. Dennis Gross DRX Spectral Light Face Wear Pro. This device uses red light therapy to smooth, like fine lines, wrinkles, but also it will reduce the appearance of sunspots, age spots, and discoloration. It's also said to balance your skin tone and texture and help you clear mild to, I would say, moderate acne. And it will soothe your redness and reduce inflammation. I have a video on red light therapy, so if you want like all the juicy details, go and watch that video. Now, what is cool with this device is that it has 3 light treatment settings, right? Like one for anti-aging red light therapy, blue light for acne, and a combination of both for the ultimate anti-aging and anti-acne benefits. So I think that that's pretty cool that you can, switch and pick which type of light you need. Okay, and finally, acids. It may sound a little counterintuitive, but when it comes to anti-aging ingredients in your 40s, let me tell you, reaching for the acids is more important than ever. Here's the thing, as your skin's natural cell turnover starts to slow down, this can lead to a buildup of dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. And this is why we end up with dull looking skin. AHAs and BHAs are acids that in particular are great for helping you get rid of dead skin cells and stimulate your skin's regeneration, brightening your complexion and improving, I would say, like the overall tone and texture of your skin. Once you have chosen your acid, you have to apply it every a few days in the evening after cleansing, and make sure that you don't skip your daily SPF. Yes, this is really important because acids can make your skin much more sensitive to the sun and therefore more vulnerable to damage. Of course, I mean, like with so many different options, it's very difficult to know from, which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. There is a link in the description box. Go and take the quiz and you are going to find out which acid is best for your skin type. And now, of course, let me know in the comments what ingredients or tools you swear by for healthy skin in your 40s. And if you want to stay up to date with all things skincare, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Listen, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for spending time with me today. Bye for now.